Did you know dolphins can call each other by name? Just like humans, they have unique whistles to identify friends and family. Imagine if you could understand those conversations and also learn English at the same time. Today, we're going to combine two amazing things: English learning and fascinating animal stories. Using graded readers, you can improve your listening, expand your vocabulary, and enjoy heartwarming adventures from the animal world. Many English learners tell me the same thing. I can read, but when I listen, I get lost. Why does this happen? First, spoken English is often faster than we expect. Second, native speakers use natural expressions, contractions, and tone changes that aren't always taught in textbooks. And third, learners often choose materials that are either too easy, so they don't grow, or too hard, so they get discouraged. That's where graded readers come in. They're designed for your exact level, using stories you'll actually want to listen to. And when those stories are about animals, your brain pays extra attention.